Hi, I'm Joe. I'm currently a producer intern at Criterion Games, and my job is basically helping manage a team, making sure they know what they're doing and how they can do it in the time they are given. So I've worked on Need for Speed Unbound, and I'm currently working on Battlefield. A typical day for me involves usually a start of a daily to just talk to my team about the work they're doing, what work they're going to do, and any problems they have. Uh, then I will sometimes go into a software review to see what their work looks like in the actual game. And then it will just be a bunch of other meetings with like leads above me, leads in other teams, and other people at my leads layer. So usually my development director who works on a bunch of graph stuff and timelines. So I'm clear that we're communicating effectively and we all are agreed on what we're doing and when. My best bit of advice is just start creating, whether it's an actual video game, whether it's on paper, on your own, or with a team. Just start creating things. And that's just the best step to get started on this journey.